in tinkercad, looking at the copier jam circuit, and I'll start the simulation. And so 1, 2, and 3 are the switches here, are the 3 sensors. Right now we got a green light and our motor is running. If one of the sensors goes off, nothing happens. We've still got green lights as long as there's only one in a row. We can even have sensor 3 and sensor 1 reading a piece of paper at the same time. But if we have 2 sensors in a row, like if we have 1 and 2, we get a red light, shuts off the motor, user gets a warning to go clear the jam, we go clear the jam, hit the reset button, now we got the green light and the motor's running again. If we get 2 and 3, we get another signal, that's a jam, the motor shuts down, we need to go clear the jam and hit the reset, and then we're back in business.
That's all, folks. Thanks.